Hello and welcome to How to Play Knaves, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Knaves. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. Each player is dealt 17 cards, 1 card at a time. The remaining card is flipped up. The suit of the flipped up card is the trump suit for the round. For this game, diamonds is the trump suit. Knaves is a trick-taking card game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card wins the trick. The object of the game is to win tricks to score points. But players will want to avoid winning tricks that contain jacks. Winning the jacks will cause a player's score to go down. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the twos being the lowest. The trump suited cards will outrank all other suited cards during the round. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer will lead any card to the first trick. Player 2 plays the 10 of clubs. Play moves left to player 3, who must play a card in the same suit that was led if possible. Player 3 plays the 2 of clubs. Play moves to player 1, who also follows the lead suit by playing the ace of clubs. Player 1 wins this trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player 1 leads the 2 of spades. Play moves to player 2, who follows suit with the 10 of spades. Player 3 follows suit with the 5 of spades. Player 2 wins this trick with the highest ranking card. Player 2 leads the next trick, and players continue to play 2 tricks until all cards have been played. At the end of the game, players will score 1 point for each trick won during the round. The players that won tricks with jacks in them will lose points based on the jack's suit. The jack of hearts loses 4 points, jack of diamonds loses 3 points, jack of clubs loses 2 points, jack of spades loses 1 point. Player 1 got 5 tricks with no jacks for 5 points. Player 2 won 5 tricks but also got the jack of hearts and jack of clubs for a total of -1 point. Player 3 won 7 tricks but loses points for the jack of diamonds and the jack of spades. Player 3 scores a total of 3 points. The deal moves left to the next player for the next round. The first player to score 20 or more points wins the game. If a player is not able to follow the lead suit, the player can play any card. Here, player 3 cannot follow the spade suit and plays the trump suited 6 of diamonds. Since the trump suited cards outrank all other suited cards, player 3 wins this trick. The player with the highest ranking trump suited card wins the trick. If no trump suited card is played, the player with the highest ranking card in the lead suit wins the trick. Here, player 3 wins this trick as no trump suited card was played, and they have the highest ranking card in the suit that was led. That wraps up How to Play Knaves. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!